it going, everybody? We're gonna take a little ride down Westcliff Drive here in Santa Cruz. It's likely going to be a slow ride, but that's alright. We're here for the ocean views. Sometimes you've got to get out of the mountains, as good as it is, as much as it is the place to be, in my opinion. So we're going to take a little stroll through the town. As you can see, it is a frequent for walkers and bicyclers and sailors and surfers, as well as butterflies and seagulls. Just left natural bridges where the monarch butterflies come every so often. I don't know if it's every season or how it works exactly, but you can go see them hanging out in the trees there. But I wouldn't come here to get wild. There are a lot of people, and it's just not the place for that. Parking is slim. Once in a while you'll see a spot like that. Beautiful Sunday afternoon. In the springtime. You can fish off of these cliffs, but personally I've never caught anything. I can't say that I come here often, but I have taken my kayak out here and I have caught fish off the kayak. You just have to be a little bit further out. I've never caught anything right off of the cliff, but just go a little bit out on a kayak or something similar, and there's plenty of rockfish, and they're quite tasty. Also, lots of Sunday drivers. It's where you pull out your little MG and roll up the top, just cruise around, watch the waves. Cliffs around here slowly eroding away. Another reason to be in the mountains, I suppose. Guess I forgot the skaters. Roller skaters. That there is the famous surf statue. And when I do come out here with my kayak and go fishing, I'll haul it down those stairs there and launch from there. If you can find parking around here, it's probably that's the cheap way to do it. You have to pay if you want to launch off of the out of the harbor. Probably a bit more work as well. I'm not sure. There's probably fish around there too, but there's definitely fish off of these cliffs here Like I said, you just have to go a little further out. This is Cowles Beach. It's where the beginners go. You can see it's quite packed. The wharf. The boardwalk. The Dream Inn. They've got a pretty nice little restaurant that is dedicated to Jack O'Neill. This is where Westcliff Drive ends, but I don't think it would be a proper Westcliff Drive video if I did not film the boardwalk here. This technically is Beach Street. Come here if you want to play some volleyball. Watch out. Tourists, man. That's why it's dangerous to be on a motorcycle. Here's the boardwalk arcade. Looks like the boardwalk is still open at the moment. I think it will be shutting down for a month or so here pretty quick. But at the moment, looks like there are a few people here. It gets much worse, I promise. I worked here for several years. There's the Giant Dipper for you. One of the few big wood roller coasters left, I believe. People like to just stop here in the middle of nowhere. But yeah, check it out. If you want to see more like this, let me know. Like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.